In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this even as a complete beginner. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you're going to need is an affiliate account, and you can get that from clickbank.com. However, if you don't have a ClickBank account, you can still use other platforms like digistore24.com, JVZoo, and the likes. All right. So once you come over to your account, I'm going to show you how to use the spot niche to start generating passive income online with affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, there are so many niches where you can pick various products and start promoting on ClickBank. All right. So if you come over to the sports section, you can see there are various sports right here. You can see baseball, basketball, cycling, football, and other sports as well. So all you just need to do is to select any sport of your choice. And I'm going to take the basketball niche as an example. As you can see, this product called Vertical Jump Training is the highest under this category. And as you can see, you are going to get paid $38 on average for every single sale you make for this product. And keep in mind, it has a recurring income as well. So once you come over to the landing page of the product, as you can see right here, this is a video showing people what they are going to learn from this product. As you can see, there are so many testimonies as well on this landing page. So once the landing page looks good, the next step is to go back to your ClickBank account, and you want to grab your affiliate link by clicking on the promote button, and you want to click on create uplink. So once you do that, all you just need to do is to copy your affiliate link. And now I'm going to show you how to start driving traffic and start earning money promoting this product. So the first traffic source I'm going to show you that you can use to start driving traffic is by coming over to YouTube, and you want to type in keyword like basketball videos plus shorts. Once you do this is going to show you only short form content under this keyword that you can use to start making money with this product. And once you do this, you are going to see a lot of videos, and these videos have been seen by so many people already. As you can see, most of these videos here are getting millions of views, and you don't want to use these popular videos. So you want to come over to the filter section, and you want to click on today. As you can see, this is a very small channel here with just 1,000 subscribers, and you can see this video is new. And now this channel has gotten over 1,000 views in just 3 hours on this video. And I can assure you, this video was taken from other platforms. And you can see this person is already getting views under this video. And definitely, if they have a product in their description, some of these views are going to click on that product. So if I keep scrolling down, as you can see, this is also another small channel with just 129 subscribers and over 2,000 views in just 2 hours already. As you can see, this is also a short video as well, very similar to the first one. So if I scroll down again, you can see this is another video with a channel with just 140 subscribers, and it has gotten over 1,000 views already. So all you need to do to get this content is just by going over to tiktok.com. And once you come over to tiktok.com, all you need to do is to type in a keyword like basketball videos. And once you type this, you are going to see a lot of videos from TikTok that you can repost to YouTube and start getting traffic to your affiliate link. All right. So now you can even click on load more to get even more videos that you can post on your YouTube short channel, start driving traffic to your links. All right. So I'm going to click on this video as an example, and all you need to do is to click on the copy link button. So once you do that, you want to head over to this website called sssstick.io. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this website that is going to allow you to download TikTok videos without any watermark. All right, as you can see, you have an option to download without watermark, and all you just need to do is to click on download without watermark. And once you do that, it's going to download instantly to your device. And all you need to do is to do the same thing these guys are doing right here. As you can see, this one does not even have up to 150 subscribers on their channel, and they're already getting thousands of views on their channel already. As you can see, this is a new video. So basically, this is how easy and how simple it is to start getting traffic by getting content from other platforms and reposting them to YouTube Shorts. All you just need to do is to make sure in the description of your video, you want to include your affiliate link you copied, but you want to make sure to shorten the affiliate link. And to shorten your affiliate link, you can come over to ClickBank to copy your affiliate link, and you can come over to a website like bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link. All you need to do is to paste in the link here and click on shorten, and you want to copy your affiliate link. Then you want to create a YouTube channel under this niche like this person has done already. And all you need to do is to click on create, and you want to upload the video you just downloaded. So while the video is uploading, you can come over to TikTok and copy the title of this video and the keywords as well, and you can just use that as the title of this video. Okay, you can see basketball edit, NBA edit. So under the description, you can type in something simple like this: learn how the pro basketballers dunk with ease. Then you want to paste your affiliate link right here, and all you just need to do is to click on next and upload. It's that simple. You want to repeat this strategy for at least 10 videos every single day, and if you do this, I can guarantee you that you are going to start driving massive traffic to your affiliate link. And once people start coming to this landing page, you are going to definitely make sales, because if they come over to this landing page, it means they are already interested in this product, and some of them will definitely purchase this product. And this is how easy you can start getting content from TikTok and reposting them to YouTube Short. But one final thing you need to do is to give credit. All you need to do is to copy the username of this account, and you want to come over under your video and you want to paste in the username of the account, and you want to type in something like credits. Okay, so once you type in something simple like this, then you're already giving credit to this account for using their video. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.